Hey everybody, super excited to be able to offer you as a one-time only deal to be able to add something to your arsenal of essential oils that can really impact your patients in a big way. Now this is called Copaiba oil. Now Copaiba oil is basically the equivalent of CBD oil, and a lot of you have heard of what CBD oil is, and if you haven't, it's basically the extract of what we get from the marijuana plant or the hemp plant. Now that comes with a lot of controversy when we're talking about CBD oil and THC, traces of THC, and that can cause a lot of different issues in certain states, as well as regulatory and legal challenges as well. So basically, this new oil has come out on the market, and it's called Copaiba oil, and it's come out not too long ago, and it's been impacting the health industry at large in a big dramatic way. Now, when talking about these oils, it's first important to understand how the endocannabinoid system works. And it's based off of two receptors that we have in the body, CB1 and CB2. Now, CB1 receptor is basically connected to the brain and the central nervous system, and the CB2 receptor is connected to the endocrine system as well as the immune system. So when we're talking about health effects, we really want to target into that CB2 receptor to be able to tie right into that immune system to help with a lot of those health issues. So when we're talking about cannabinoids, and we're talking about CBD oil and THC, we got to understand how they interact with these receptors, and we also want to talk about how Copaiba oil interacts with these receptors, and we're going to be pleasantly surprised to really see how they impact in a much different way in both different avenues. So CBD oil is usually found in very low quantities or not at all within the oil. It's very hard to extract pure CBD oil, and it does not act directly on CB receptors specifically. And this is very important to understand because that's our direct connection to influencing our immune system. And when talking about THC interacts with both the CB1 and the CB2 receptors, which can cause some issues, and it stimulates psychoactive effects, which in itself is a regulatory and legal challenge in a lot of places around the world. BCP, or basically Copaiba oil, is a very exciting oil because there's no CB1 interaction, and it focuses in directly on the receptor that interacts with our immune system, which is the CB2 receptor. Now, the CB2 direct interaction has amazing therapeutic benefits. And so this oil has been a dramatic shift within our health industry that we're able to use this oil for a lot of different things. We got to understand that it helps support against temporary inflammation. It eases tension and discomfort, provides protective effects on kidney and liver systems. It's shown to provide protection against autoimmune disruptions, as well as easing anxious and depressive feelings. And it even helps to abstain from unhealthy habits such as alcohol dependence. So this oil that I'm offering you as this one-time deal is something that is just awesome to add to your arsenal within your essential oils kit. And it will definitely be great for not only you in the clinic, but also your patients at large. So I wish you all the best for you, your clinic, and your patients. Thanks again for purchasing.